Hello friends, welcome to Ravi's kitchen. Today I am going to make my new dish, creamy grilled chicken burger. First of all, we will marinate the chicken. For chicken marination, take a bowl, put 3 spoon hand cut, 3 spoon thick cream, 2 spoon processed cream cheese, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 pinch of white pepper, 1 pinch of onion powder, 1 pinch of dry thyme and 3 pinch of salt. You can put salt according to taste also. Mix all ingredients. Now add chicken and mix well. Then wrap the bowl and keep it in fridge for 8 hours. After 8 hours, now chicken is ready to cook. Take a pan and grill the chicken breast about 7 minutes on both sides, or you can cook in the oven. For oven, place a tray and cook in oven for 16 to 17 minutes at 175 to 180 degrees Celsius. Now we will go for assemble. For assemble, cut the burger bun and toast. Spread the mayonnaise. Then put iceberg lettuce. Then put creamy grilled chicken patty. Now add American cheese slice. And in the last, add grilled onion and cover with top. Your creamy grilled chicken is ready to eat. Serve with ketchup and mayo.